I'm Shauna Parsons, and here's the latest news update from Fox 12. Two men face charges after a march in downtown Portland that police declared an unlawful assembly. One man's accused of attacking a police officer last night. Another is accused of breaking and spray painting windows at a coffee shop. COVID-19 risk levels are rising in 11 Oregon counties. In our area, Hood River is moving from low to moderate risk. Clatsop, Columbia, Polk, and Washington counties are all changing from moderate to high risk. And Yamhill County is jumping all the way from low to high risk. The new risk levels take effect on Friday. Now here's Fox 12 meteorologist Jeff Forgeron with a look at the forecast.
One more sunny day on tap. Summer-like conditions are expected this afternoon with highs in the mid to upper 70s. We'll see more morning cloud cover Thursday and Friday, and afternoon temperatures will be in the mid 60s. But rain holds off until late Friday night. We look like we're going to be dealing with a very wet weekend. On and off rain showers, highs in the upper 50s, and we'll likely have scattered showers lingering into Monday and Tuesday as well. Shauna?
Thanks, Jeff. For news and weather updates anytime, just download the Fox 12 app on your phone or tablet, or you can log on to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Fox12.